Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're actually going to do this video here live at the Haggerty garages at Road America. Today we're going to swap out and show you how to do a how-to video on installing the Griffin Motorsports hood vent for your ZL1. I'll show you all the tools that you need. It'll be on my bench at home through the magic of editing, but ultimately it's so easy to do. We're doing it here at the track. Install for the Griffin Motorsports hood vent is pretty straightforward. You'll need a 3/8 ratchet, 10mm socket, maybe not, 3-inch extension, but we'll put that over there. You'll want some type of plastic panel prying tool to help get the bottom tray that keeps the top of the hood vent attached to the hood off once you get all the bolts undone. And if you choose to use the Griffin Motorsports stainless steel fittings or screws, you'll want a 4mm Allen wrench. I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of battery power to assist with removing the screws, but I'm going to hand tighten them back down for reinstall. That's it. It's pretty straightforward. Not much else is needed. Let's get started. First thing you're going to need to do on your car is remove the rain guard, which we already have off here because whether you're doing this mod or not, you should have this off for track use anyway. That is just 3 10mm screws that hold that on, and it comes right off. Next, we're going to hit the remaining 18 screws that hold the entire under tray for the carbon fiber hood bulge. And there's also some 4 longer bolts at the top and 4 longer bolts at the bottom that we'll want to make sure that we get those in the correct position. Once you have all of the screws removed, there is one pushpin style retainer that you want to get off in the center here. And now once you have everything loose, there's still a small adhesive that is holding this piece on. So you'll want to use a plastic panel removal tool and just slowly pry away at the corners. And then once you have that loose, you're going to pull up and out and set this aside. We're going to reinsert some screws here to finish the install. Now those longer screws that I talked about earlier, we're going to reuse those. We're going to hand tighten them or hand thread them into the lower 4. Now, Griffin Motorsports offers some additional stainless steel hardware that you can use and some upgraded hardware. We're going to reuse the OEM hardware in this case, just because the owner of the ZL1, Matt, he prefers the black look instead of the stainless steel. Next, we're going to position the Griffin Motorsports bracket across the 4 holes here on the bulge and then the 3 holes at the top here. With the Griffin Motorsports hood vent, you're going to get the 4 into the hood bulge first. Again, these are the slightly longer screws. And we're going to hand thread those in. And then across the top, you're going to use two of the bolts on each corner, and we are going to reuse the OEM push pin in the center. The Griffin Motorsports kit comes with a riv nut. It requires drilling a 1/2-inch hole, installing the riv nut into it, and they provide a threaded screw for you. There's enough flex in this where we are just going to reuse the OEM push pin. Now that we have everything hand tight, we're going to go ahead and use a ratchet and a 10mm socket to tighten them down. We don't want to over tighten them. They don't need to be cranked down. You want to be careful not to break anything. So we'll do that next. And that's it. We're done. Make sure you take your remaining screws and set them aside. They will not reinstall into the existing threads without that piece there. They'll kind of stick out. You can't get them threaded completely all the way. So set these aside, keep them in a safe place, but you are done. Now you've installed the Griffin Motorsports ZL1 Hood Vent. Your under hood temps will be cooler, potentially better air intake temps as well. That's what we're doing here today at Road America. We're testing before and after data for Griffin Motorsports. Thanks for stopping by for the quick video. Till next time, till the next project, see you then.